It's tax time, but of course, if you have your financial data all together in your own private spreadsheet, you've got it covered. I want to show you today one of my favorite workflows in Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, and it's an easy way to pull spending related to certain categories. This is incredibly helpful with taxes because oftentimes you're going to need to know what is the spending or what is the income I have in certain categories. For example, in our family, I'm thinking about what's the charitable giving that we've done that we can count as tax deductible, or what's the health and medical spending. We can pull that with a quick category filter, and we can do it in Sheets and Excel. So let's start in Google Sheets. Here we have my transaction sheet. I am first going to apply a filter view. I'm going to select the entire transaction sheet and then move to the far right side of the menu and create a filter. Now I'll see that each of my header columns has a little filter icon. I'm going to click Category, and I'm going to clear all the categories, and then scroll down and find the Donations category, and just show that category. Now I can see all the transactions that have a Donations category, but I notice I have last year, this year, the year before. I want to filter down and just show 2025. So again, I'm going to clear all the dates, type in 2025, and select only the 2025 dates. Now I have 2025 transactions with the donation category. From here, I'm going to select the top cell, select the bottom cell, copy, and put this into a new sheet called Charity Taxes 2025. I'm going to paste my information right here. I want to widen the description column so I can see what I have here and preserve my header. Now I can see all the transactions that are charitable. Now, of course, some of these are actually tax deductible, some aren't. I know that our Scout donation here, that's not tax deductible, so I'm going to delete that row. Once I've cleaned up the data, of course, I'm not deleting this from the transaction sheet. I'm just deleting it from this working sheet where I'm gathering my tax information. I'm going to put a total at the bottom and do a sum, and it automatically knows I'm summing all the information above, so it fills in the formula, and I have the sum of my charitable expenses. I can do the same with all my other categories that relate to taxes. Of course, it's the same workflow almost in Excel. So here I can see the same data in Excel, and next to the headers are the filter options. So I'm going to unselect everything and select just donations. And then similarly with the date column, unselect everything and just select 2025. Now I can see all my donation transactions. I'm going to copy that, create a new sheet, paste it here, and again, I can fill out the column so I can see all the information, put a total here, and add a sum. And I have the same report here. Oh, I forgot. I will remove this transaction as well. Voila. There I have it. This is an incredibly powerful tool, the filter tool. You have it in Sheets, you have it in Excel. It's helpful for taxes. It's helpful any time of the year you want to drill down. When I go back to my transaction sheet, and I'm going to select all my dates, and now all the dates return, and I can select all my categories return, or if I want with one click, I can just turn off the filter view entirely, and it deconstructs all the filters. My original transactions are there. I never deleted them. It simply showed an overlay that was filtered down to the transactions I wanted. Give it a try. If you haven't used the filter view in Sheets or Excel, you're going to love it.